Well, I don't know if you should ride on the bike in your dancing shoes. Can you tap dance a little bit for me? Oh, I like that. Are you going tap, tap, tap dance? No, because then the dog starts barking. Let me see those pretty earrings you have on. Oh, and do you have a necklace? And oh, do you have a bracelet? And a ring on your thumb? What a pretty little girl you are today. All dressed up. And then, do you have your tap shoes on? Did your earring fall off? It's right here on your shirt. I see it. I can fix it for you. There you go. Oh, tap, 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 tap. Can you tap your feet from sitting? Can you tap, tap, tap your toe? Oh, that's good stuff. Yeah.